In order to survive and grow, all of us are required to procure nutrition from the natural environment. But prior to acquiring the skills of foraging, the juveniles are completely dependent on their parents for their energy requirements. With their mouths wide open, the young ones closely follow the parent, begging to be fed. While foraging, the adults employ their pointed bill to probe the ground. Once their binocular vision detects something, they pierce the soil and then forcibly open their bill to unearth the terrestrial invertebrates. Starlings have a well-developed digastric muscles, enabling them to forcefully open their beaks even against some pressure. Soft-bodied annelids, earthworms in particular, contribute significantly to their diet. As soon as parents find the proteinaceous worm, they turn around to feed the eager young ones. Though both parents are involved in feeding them, the juveniles usually follow one parent at a time. Foraging is a complex behavior, right from detecting and searching for food to capturing it and then determining whether to consume it or not. Every aspect requires practice and time spent on the ground before it can be perfected. As they grow, organisms develop an ability to evaluate and selectively consume only those food items which have the greatest energy yield per unit time. Sometimes, other closely related species, such as the common Indian starling, may utilize the same territory for foraging, leading to interspecific competition. It seems like the juveniles had enough of foraging practice for the day and now wants to be fed within the nest itself. When the parents don't find the juveniles around, they give a series of calls, a special note meant to be recognized by the family members. With a worm in its beak, the parent flies to the nest to feed them. The nest is a dome-shaped structure, loosely constructed using straw placed in the canopy of a large tree. It is at this place the nesting cycle of the Indian pied starling begins with the courtship display of the male. Throughout the entire nesting cycle, the nest is safeguarded and monitored by both the parents, thereby ensuring the survival of the offspring.